It's me, Jimmy. Make sure to check out the Skillshare. Links in the description box below. The links are in the description box. I'm teaching on Skillshare. So, make sure to go to the video mode. One thing to remember, you cannot use aperture or shutter priority to shoot 4K, which is the downside. Majority of the Canon camera, Canon R10, R5, R7, R10 do not allow you to shoot. I personally love shooting an aperture priority for video. If you're going to throw a Sigma 60mm f 1.4, you can't. You have to use the manual mode. Manual mode is only good for studio, but for walking and talking, I do not recommend. So click the Q button once you're in the video mode. Click the Q button again. Now in the manual mode. In the manual mode, you can control the shutter and aperture at the same time. But I really wish that Canon allow us to use the aperture shutter priority. So this is how you access the manual video mode. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.